I just found 3 stocks that are about to change everything. We're talking about the crazy build-out of AI, the race to actually make money from AI, and a literal revolution in healthcare that's happening right now. And in this video, I'm giving you 3 stocks that are leading this charge. I am not kidding. This is probably the last chance you have to buy them at these prices. Seriously. If you want to stay ahead of everyone else, just subscribe right now. Let's get into the first one. Stock number 1. Vistra Corp, VST. First up is a company that's basically selling the power for the AI gold rush. This is Vistra Corp, VST. The idea is so simple. AI needs an insane amount of electricity, and Vistra sells that electricity. These giant data centers that train AI models need more power than you can even imagine, 24/7. Buying Vistra is a bet on the actual physical stuff that makes the entire AI revolution possible. So why am I telling you this now? The market is just waking up to how much power AI needs, and companies are scrambling. Vistra has been buying up power plants like crazy. We're talking nuclear and natural gas, just to keep up. They just made a huge deal with Meta to power their AI with nuclear energy, and bought other plants just for data centers. They are locking in money for years, and this is a long-term thing. Data centers are going to use 3 times more energy by 2030. It takes years to build new power plants, which gives existing companies like Vistra a massive advantage. They've already sold almost all their power for 2026, so they know exactly how much money they're going to make. They are literally building a highway to huge growth. Of course, skeptics will say it's just a boring old power company, but it's not. This isn't some slow growth utility. The market is realizing this is a growth machine for the AI boom. The stock has already gone up a ton, but analysts are saying it could go even higher because its growth is just getting started. Wall Street is screaming buy because they see this company has become essential to the AI boom. Quick pause. If you're getting any value out of this video, just slap the like button right now. It helps the channel more than you know. I also have a free newsletter where I give away even more research. The link is in the description. It's 100% free, and it's the best way to get my ideas sent straight to your inbox. Okay, let's get to stock number 2. Stock number 2, Meta Platforms, Meta. Alright, everybody knows this second stock, but I think everyone is sleeping on how massive its next move is going to be. It's Meta Platforms, META. The big idea is that Meta is secretly becoming an AI profit machine. You see Facebook and Instagram, but behind the scenes, AI is literally rebuilding the entire company. This is all about making money with AI. Every single time AI makes an ad better or gets you to watch one more reel, that gets multiplied by billions of users and makes them an insane amount of money. So what makes this the perfect time to look at Meta? The company is spending billions and billions of dollars on AI right now. They've said they're going to keep spending like crazy for years, and that has made some investors nervous. But that fear is your opportunity. The market's worrying about the cost could be an amazing entry point. This spending is for what Mark Zuckerberg hopes will be the #1 AI assistant in the world, built into apps that billions of people already use. The future growth is crazy. There are 3 parts. First, the main ad business just gets smarter and makes more money. Analysts think it's going to grow a lot in 2026. Second, they became super efficient, which means bigger profits. And third, they have all these new ways to make money, like with WhatsApp, Reels, and even new AI tools for businesses. Now, you might be thinking, they're spending so much money on AI and the metaverse. What if it fails? It's a risk. But they are paying for it with the giant piles of cash they make from their main business, and they have a history of making huge bets that paid off. Analysts are all in, with tons of them rating it a strong buy. Some people think the stock is actually undervalued, even with all the spending. Meta is betting everything to become the king of AI monetization, and I think people are still asleep at the wheel. My last stock is absolutely wild. It has explosive growth and it's super safe. The stock is Eli Lilly, ticker LLY. The big idea here is that Eli Lilly is at the dead center of the biggest trend in healthcare, obesity and diabetes drugs. We're not talking about one-hit drug. This is a tsunami of demand for a new kind of medicine called GLP-1s. Their drugs Mounjaro and Zepbound are already making billions of dollars. Some people think this market will be worth $150 billion by 2035. That is a gigantic number. Lilly isn't just in the market, it's leading it. So why buy it now? Because their next drug could be even bigger. They have a daily oral GLP-1 pill called orforglipron in the final stages. Imagine a once-a-day pill that does the same thing. It would change everything and make the market even bigger. An FDA decision on it could come as early as March 2026, which is getting closer every day. And they're not even stopping there. They have another next-gen drug in late-stage studies called retatrutide. This one could be even more powerful. In one study, people lost almost 29% of their body weight. 29%. That is unbelievable. This is why they're the leader. They're already building the next thing. Okay, the haters will say the stock is too expensive. It costs way more than other healthcare stocks, but it's expensive for a reason. The growth is projected to be absolutely insane. Some analysts say the future earnings totally justify the price, plus healthcare is safe. If the economy gets bad, people still need their medicine. Eli Lilly gives you that safety plus rocket ship growth. Wall Street analysts overwhelmingly rate it a buy. This is a rare chance to get massive growth from a super resilient trend. So there they are, 3 stocks that I think are about to absolutely explode. First, we have Vistra Corp powering the entire AI revolution. Second, there's Meta Platforms, the social media giant that's becoming an AI money printing machine with billions of users. And third, Eli Lilly, the undisputed leader in a global healthcare megatrend that could last for years. Obviously, this isn't financial advice. I'm just some guy on YouTube. You have to do your own research. If you liked this video, destroy the like button and subscribe with the notification bell on so you don't miss the next one. Now I want to know what you think. Drop a comment below. Which of these 3 stocks is going on your watch list? And why? I read every single comment and I can't wait to see what you say. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.